Have you ever noticed the tiny icon next to a website's name on Google or in your browser tab? That small icon is called a favicon. And if your Blogger site still shows the default icon, it can make your website look unprofessional. Today, I'll show you how to change it in just a few minutes. Hello and welcome to TECHLOAD. In this tutorial, you'll learn what a favicon is, why it's important, and how to change it on your Blogger website step by step. So let's get started. Step-by-step guide to change Blogger favicon. First, open any browser. Sign in to Blogger. Select your blog from the dashboard. Then tap on Settings. Then tap on Favicon. Then tap on Select Icon File. Then selected your icon. Then tap on Save option.